here we go. Oh, I gotta do my signature clap that I always zoom in on. Birdman style.
Oh my.
Alright, so we're finally, much to my demise, this man convinced me to go ahead and start the turbo today.
Right.
Yeah, so we got all the parts laid out on the table back there. If you haven't seen them already, I'll show them to you real quick, but your best bet is just go watch the last video I made where I gave you a complete overview of all the performance parts I got. Yeah, man, I don't want to do this. It's humid today. It's already way too late to be starting on this, so it'll be a multi-day video, or it might just be a part 1 and 2 or 3. I don't know. However many, I'll figure it out when I edit it, but you know how it goes.
Hey, you need a bigger lens. We two big ass dudes. It's hard for us.
Yeah,
there we go. There we go.
Yeah,
there we go. You know what I'm saying? Show them guns out. You know what I'm saying? I'm already taken, but you know, welcome to the gun show. Ka-chigga, ka-chigga.
Dustin Williams eat his heart out.
Oh my God. Where you at, Dustin? Where you at, boy?
I'm not putting this in the video. Alright, I'm gonna show you the turbo stuff. Alright, so only thing I'm worried about is just the turbo stuff. I know I got oil cooler, catch cans, stuff like that, and then like the aesthetic engine based stuff in the house. But we're just gonna be focusing on the meat and potatoes of everything for right this second. So game plan is get the car jacked up, we're gonna drain the oil, get the stock headers off, and get the stock oil pan off. That'll be the first step, and we'll go from there. Nobody wants to see this.
Hey man, it's called extra footage, that B-roll.
It's not B-roll for talking over it.
I mean, you can edit that out.
Alright, so we got pretty much the whole, everything removed that needs to be removed that I know of so far. All of the focus, intake stuff, airbox. The stock exhaust manifold is off. That was a pain, and that overpipe was a pain as well. All that's off, so now what I can start doing is transferring the O2 sensors. The stock oil pan has my Fumoto oil drain valve, so I'll transfer that to the new oil pan over here as well. But things are coming along. I didn't really film it because that was just all boring teardown stuff that I'm sure any of you could do it if you were doing the same thing. But all right, so now we can start on the fun stuff. Oh shoot, I gotta put those rubber pieces on.
What, the gaskets?
Yeah, a little white. Alright, so now that I got the oil pan, new oil pan on the car, letting it dry a little bit before I torque the bolts down, I'm gonna go ahead and throw the wastegate and dump tube on the turbo manifold. And yeah, just trying to find something I can do while I'm letting that stuff dry.
Oh baby. Oh.
The turbos are heavy. I didn't realize how heavy they were.
This is very heavy. Oh baby.
That's the magic spool bus.
Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh, nice. Daddy likes. Oh man. I feel like short. I'm supposed to do this. I'm so hungry.
After I throw, so we're gonna put the manifold on. The opening should be like right in here somewhere, and then a turbo will mount on top of that. And oh yeah, I'm gonna have to cut a hole in the what did I do with the metal one? Oh yeah, that metal pan. I'm gonna have to cut a hole in it for the open dome. So when it's shooting flames and everything, it has a hole to come out of. But yeah, we're getting there.
We're getting there. Definitely getting there. Better than what we were.
All right, we got the, I'm super zoomed in because I'm under the car, but the manifold is all bolted up. Wastegate is on, even though I haven't figured out exactly how the vacuum lines are going to run. So I might end up having to take this back off again. But it's on here and it looks good. Only problem is the flange where the turbo mounts to is like darn near touching the fan. It's really, really close. Can't even slide my finger through there, so I'm gonna have to get new fans or slimmer fans to make a little bit more room. But you know, I'm poor, so just have to do it when I can do it. But we'll try to work with it as best we can for the time being, till I can get a few extra dollars. All right, so don't get too excited, everybody. Turbo's kind of mock mounted up. Did this just solely because I wanted to get some pictures for the Import Alliance showcase application. So I just kind of threw this stuff in here loosely just so I could get a picture, so I can say that I'm boosted. I'm going to be boosted by the end, but I needed a picture to like kind of prove
trick that them. We needed to trick them to believe.
I'll be boosted by the end, but I need it in there.
Look, this is what we got.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully they believe it.
Yeah, that looks
that looks legit.
Yeah. So hopefully we're probably gonna call it a night right here because we started way too late already. So we'll call it a night right here. Pick it up tomorrow or whenever the next day we're free, and try to knock some more of it out. I still got quite a bit to take apart. Bash bar has to come off. Some of this vent stuff. Yeah. So you got quite a few things to do. Run lines. Well, yeah, we're like half-ish way there. But yeah, we'll pick this up. I don't know if this is gonna be its own separate video or if I'll just continue it tomorrow. But if this video ends right here, peace out, subscribe, keep moving forward, psych, all that good stuff.
You see that psych, all that good stuff?
Yeah. But if it's not the end of the video, see you tomorrow.
Later.